Ladders take up far too much storage space in an already cluttered garage. Maximise your space by moving them well out of the way and hooking them up onto the ceiling. Heavy-duty hooks have been especially designed for this job. If you're unsure which solution would be the best fit for your garage, just search for a local trusted tradesperson to help you from Checkatrade.com. With any ceiling storage, it's crucial that you know how much your ceiling can hold. No amount of convenience is worth a ladder falling on your head. Your local tradesperson can help with this. Ceiling racks are great for storing things that are long and bulky, but if the ceiling solution doesn't work for you, simply use wall hooks instead. A good hook is always covered in rubber or neoprene to keep it from slipping. There are loads to choose from. Your Checkatrade tradesperson can tell you the best one for your needs. If you have the headspace, you can always invest in a hoist. If you're still struggling for space, consider investing in a folding ladder design. They can extend to the same height or even higher than conventional ladders, but fold down to a fraction of the size. Finally, if you want to store your ladder outside, do make sure it's securely locked up. Get your space sorted using the help of a local trusted tradesperson. This tidy tip has been brought to you by
Checkatrade, Checkatrade.com.